Okay, so today we'll be working on like how to
Mhm.
integrate Gmail services and to send emails in the Spring Boot.
Mm.
So for that, what we have to do is we have to first we have to go to the Google Cloud Console.
Okay. Without integrating, we can actually send emails from the Spring Boot, right?
Yeah, and also first what we'll do is like for example in a project. So if you want to log into
Mm.
an application, you can use Gmail as well as a login.
That's what.
Sorry?
That's how Omni authentication works, right?
Yes, OAuth. Yeah.
But if we are doing email, can't we do it from the application? Because I know this Gmail thing. I don't know how to send emails from the system, from actual Spring Boot application.
Okay, so you don't want to learn this as well?
No, we can do authentication, but as you said, we are sending emails, right? First. So sending emails works from the application. That's what
Yes,
you said. I think so. That's what I said. Sorry if I
yes,
missed you.
yes. That is also we are doing. Like
Mhm.
you already know this, then I will skip it.
No, no, no. You don't have to skip anything.
Okay.
It's just maybe I'm clarifying something. You
Yes.
said we
First,
are sending emails.
yeah. Send emails as well. We'll both today.
Okay. So first we are doing Omniath.
Yes.
Okay. First you're doing Omniath. Sorry. No, that's
Mm.
what I mean. When you said send emails, I got confused.
Okay, no issues. So first, what we have to do is, I'm just going to the like this console, Google here.
Mm-hmm.
So I just need to create a project. So why we are creating a project means when we create a project from the Google, we have to we have to get like one key and code we will get actually when we create the
Got it.
project.
Key and password for all the third-party integration.
Yes.
Hmm.
So click on new project. So I can give some name. I will give it as a Spring login.
Mm-hmm.
Some name, and I'm clicking on create.
Hmm.
Okay. Select project. Okay, so here enable APIs and services. We have to click this.
Mhm.
So here I will search for Google Plus API. This one. Click enable. Okay, still loading. So after
Where is
that,
the key that you generated?
no, still uh,
Credentials.
yeah. Click on credit. So here click on create credit.
Mhm.
Help me to choose. Okay, so when we click on this, create credential, OAuth client ID, we just need to click this. Configure. Okay, so here click on external, create. Okay, so here we have to just give some like app name. I will give Spring login. Spring login, and just choose the email ID.
Oh, you didn't email me the documents.
Hmm.
The documents.
What document?
Yesterday you were saying about the facts that you had, right? Just for me to go through.
Oh yeah, I will send you that. I will send you. So yeah, so here just confirm. Save and continue. Save and continue. Okay, so this is done. Then to click on credential again. What client ID? So application type, we have to choose web application. Okay, so okay. See here for now, what I will do is I need to change this authorized redirected URLs, URIs. So here for now, I will just give localhost this one. Okay. So later I need to change this. So I will tell you when we have to change this. Okay. For now, I will just create. When I click create, okay. So I'm getting client ID and this password I'm
Got it.
getting. Okay. So okay. So click on file. Here new Spring Starter project. Mm, and we'll give some Spring log. Next. Okay, so here one we want is web, Spring Web, and I want Spring Security. Okay, I want Spring Security. I want this one, OAuth client. Okay, so if you are implementing any Gmail or Facebook, so we have to use OAuth only. Next, finish. Okay, so let me create one controller class home controller. Here I will create trust controller. Okay, at the rate get mapping. Public string home. Return home page. Okay, so here I will write one method. Actually, this is used to fetch the like name, like everything, the like in which Gmail ID you are logged in the format of JSON. Okay, so it will return in the JSON format. So to do that, I'm just writing one method.
Just to get the data, right? The
Yes,
one that is coming in as JSON.
yes. Okay, so for that we have to create public principal. PRIN, yeah, principal.
PLE, I think.
No, this is correct only. Prevent. Okay, so this is basically, I just need to import from the Spring Security. If you observe, it is coming from the
As a string. Okay.
Java Security. Principal. Return. Okay, so when I just when I go to prevent, okay, so it will display you the data in the JSON format. Like it will display the name, it will display which Gmail ID, all the details it will give. Okay, okay. So as usual, the next thing what we
But
have to
where
do
did
is,
you add the key
Mhm.
and the... You have to add the ID and the secret key, right? Where did you
Yes,
add
yes.
that?
That we have to add in the application properties.
Mm-hmm.
So before that, we have to create one more class for the Spring Security. So here I will give that config finish extends web security configure adapter. Web security, yeah. At the right configuration. Okay, so here how to get one configure method that will be in source. Override implement methods. Okay, so here configure HTTP security.
Sorry, how did you open up that pop-up?
Just no, right click on source.
Hmm.
Okay, so here no override implement methods.
Okay.
Okay, so here configure HTTP, this one. Just click this. Okay. So here are like we already did this, right? HTTP dot authorize requests dot event matches. So for this permit all dot any request dot authenticated dot and okay, so here we have to give OAuth to login.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
that
for
means
yeah, so for this only it will permit all. If you get any request authenticate, then it has to ask for the OAuth to login.
but that means I cannot log in simple like giving my username and password, right?
Sorry.
I mean, if I give my login ID and my password, will it be? I mean, will I be able to log in?
No, this the meaning is apart from this, if you send slash any other for that it will ask you the OAuth login. For example, no,
Okay.
if I send this one prevent slash prevent, then obviously this has to open like OAuth to login. The login
Okay.
page has to display. Okay. Oh yeah, so here almost done. So in the application properties, we just need to type Spring Security, Spring Node Security dot OAuth2 client registration is OAuth2 dot client.
Registration.
Yeah, registration dot Google dot client ID dot ID is equal to, so this client ID you have to pass here. Spring Security OAuth. Oh yeah, spelling mistake. OAuth dot client registration REGI registration.
TERA, I guess.
Yeah,
Registration. Sorry, TRA.
EGGI.
Yes,
Yeah.
ISTRATIA.
And another is client secret. Client secret. Okay, save. Okay, we'll run and okay. So for localhost 8080, it is giving home page. If I give /prevent, okay, so it will throw you the error because we have to authorize this. Let me copy this. Okay, to edit. So here, okay, localhost 8080 logging to Google. Save. Authorized redirecting URLs. Okay, so let me stop and rerun.
I think we don't have to rerun the application, do we?
Just like we just done some changes now. It's good to if we restart.
But which did the change on Google platform, I guess.
Let me run localhost 8080. If I give prevent, so it is asking to choose the account.
Okay.
So it is giving you role user. It is giving us my name. So it will give details. It will give me.
Understood.
Okay.
Okay, I can do this way like for all the other third parties, right?
Sorry. Yeah. You can similarly you can do it like Google developers. So like that you
Okay.
can add. Like there also same thing. If you go for developers.facebook.com, there
Yes,
also
I've
like
done for Facebook and Twitter.
same thing like for what almost.
Okay.
Okay, so now we'll work on like send emails. Okay. So here for this I will just comment it for any request. Yeah, I'll just comment this. So Java mail sender.
I think just no.
Oh yeah,
All right.
spelling mistake. Sometimes we need to save, then it will give the annotation.
Maybe
Java
S
mail.
is
Oh
capital or
yeah.
something.
No. Actually, we need to add one dependency. So that So we have to add that Java mail. Yeah, Spring Boot. Mm, Spring Boot starter mail. Dependency.
Start mail.
Go to pom.xml. Okay, so here get mapping. Public send mail. Simple mail message. Simple mail message. Okay, so it's very simple. So you just need to send yes dot set to. Okay, so for example, I want to send to my email ID, that is so yes dot set subject. So the
Okay, ensure
subject,
the user details, whatever that's coming in. We are hard coding here, right?
yes. Set subject test mail, then s dot set text, set text, set text. You can uh, then Java mail. What is we given here? Yeah, Java mail. Java mail dot send. Yes.
Mine will be for PDF, attaching PDF, right?
For the email, do you want to attach the PDF? Is it?
No, I'm just saying. I'm just asking. I know something about MIME, but I'm asking. So if I
Mhm.
have to attach the PDF, I'll be using MIME, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Hmm.
Return message sent. this be done. In application properties, port number, we just need to just need to give those things. Spring dot mail dot port.
Like from where I'm sending the email, that's what, right?
This is like default port for SMTP protocol, that 587 port we have to give. Spring dot mail dot username. Mail.com. Spring mail. Password. Spring dot mail dot host. Okay, this is SMTP. smtp.gmail.com. Dot mail dot properties. Mail dot smtp dot auth is equal to. Okay, we just need to add one more dependency. Let me get that. Spring Boot mail. This too. This is done. String is all true. Yeah, this one. Okay, so when we run this project, right? Like if you want, I can show you, but I mean, I just need to put my password here.
I don't think you have to. It's fine. I understood what. Sorry, what was that? Start TTLS. That is for what? Time to limit something. The dependency that you add.
Yeah, actually, here they mentioned we need to add this SMTP protocol requires TLS connection probably. So the property. See, servers require TLS connection. So the
So,
property.
okay, this is like we'll be sending whenever like we want to. But what about like I have to send the email at every day 1 p.m. So where do we add that cron job? Like where do we add that scheduler?
Okay, just need to schedule. Is it?
Yeah, I
That's
just want to know the location. Where do we write if I want to schedule something? I know that the annotation that we use is for @, scheduler, but I'm not really sure that where we exactly schedule the emails.
so you just need to send the mails like particular time.
Yes, I want to send it every day at 1 p.m. So where do I write that?
Okay, let me check it out. Even I don't know.
No problem. Enable scheduling. Yes, annotation. I got it. Um,
Hmm.
the scheduler is there. Okay. I can use this. Can you just send me the link in the chat?
Yes, 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 yes. Hmm. Same added subject, body, everything. Only
They
like
might have added the time. They are not giving time here. I want to see where they are giving every day at 1 p.m. That's what I want to know. Like, I
Mhm.
understand the scheduler and the trigger and everything, but where exactly they gave the
See,
time?
they're telling date time must be after the current time.
That's kind of vague, right?
Hmm.
Like, I want to give 1 p.m., but where? This is vague. It's fine. I can find this out. I mean, if you can just send me the link.
Sure, sure, sure.
Yes, that's it. Cron equals to 006 star star. Yes, that's how I saw it somewhere, but I wasn't sure where.
Mhm.
I've seen it somewhere, but not sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, actually, yesterday I got a call from Cloudbig.
Mm-hmm.
Like, apart from this, do you have like any other, do you want to learn something?
No, I don't. Actually, I didn't find anything. I thought
Yeah.
you will send me the docs or something, but
So
you didn't.
definitely, I will share to you FAQ.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, they want to send you for the like this placements and all.
Mm-hmm.
So and also they want me to start new batch.
Oh, okay.
So
They
yeah,
have the batch, and I was
yeah.
the lucky one that I mean.
Mm.
That's why then nobody came with me.
Yes, yes, yes. Or else it could be they can start.
Mm.
Yes. So yeah, you can do one thing. Like if you have anything, you can just
Mm-hmm.
send mail like Claude Bay saying like if you want class, or you can just text me as well if you want any further classes.
See,
Okay.
I won't be having classes. I'll be having, little minor details. Like, right now I asked you like where to do
Mm-hmm.
the cron job and something like that. I don't have like
Mm-hmm.
full lecture kind of issue. So if something like that happens, I'll text you, like respond to me anytime you're free, anytime you're available. That's okay.
Sure, 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 sure. Yes.
I'm not really sure that I'll be harassing you like that, but just in case if something comes up,
Mm-hmm.
I'll I'll tell you.
Sure, sure, sure. We can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So yes, apart from that, if you want any, something, for example, recently you had like, you asked for the microservices, right? Similarly, if you want to add a few more concepts or something, you can just,
Mm-hmm.
put one mail for Cloudbig, and you can put one message for me, and I can take that
Mm-hmm.
session if you want to. Okay?
Sure, sure, we'll do that. Thank
Yes.
you.
Okay.
Okay,
So yeah,
just
and yes, and all the best for you.
thank you.
So you are
If
only the
there's
person.
anything, mm-hmm.
Yeah, you are the only person till now. Like for you, actually, the course is not required. Actually, if you have this much of knowledge, so
No,
obviously
I don't have
you
any knowledge. I mean,
real-time project, like you have almost set to work on project.
mm-hmm.
So yes, yes. Like, are you like doing any real-time projects?
Yes, I do it myself. I mean, just for the personal projects. Right now, I'm actually looking for a job, right? So I build and I just publish it on GitHub just in case I need to share it with somebody. So all those personal projects,
Yes, yes.
nothing.
That you can continue. That's all.
Hmm.
Little bit if
Anything else
possible.
you think I should
From my
learn?
end, I will send you the like Spring Core FAQs. I will send you. You can
Sure.
simply work on. Apart from
Hmm.
that, I think you are all set.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, then I
Good.
will see you. I'm not sure when, but maybe if I have something, I'll definitely text you.
Sure, sure, sure. I think have your mail ID. Let me check it out. This one, right? Ankita. This is correct,
Yes,
right?
yes, that's one.
Okay. I
Yes,
will I will share the FAQs document to this ID. Or else I will share to
sure.
the upload the actually those people has to forward you the materials.
But
Anyone
that's okay. They gave me, and the documents were kind of useless. All just Google
you already know
pasted.
it. That's why.
No, no, no. It's not like that. It was like they were not making me understand what's happening. They
Mhm.
just copied the Wikipedia and sent it to me.
Oh, ho, ho, ho,
So
ho.
that was different, and that's why I said it's fine even if you don't say. I mean, send it to them because if you do, it's going to be like a whole big cycle, and I'm going to receive it after 5, 6 days.
Yeah, and do you want? I think you already worked, right? Like the projects we done, like microservices and all. The project I have. Do you want it? No, right? You already worked it, right?
If
You told.
you have, I mean, it's fine. I mean, the one that we did together, or you have already something else. I mean,
No, no,
good.
no, no, no. The which we done. No, real time project I cannot share you. The company projects, right?
No, not
With
the company project. Something like personal projects or something that's with a good understanding.
I don't have about the microservices. I told you, no, the first time I'm handling microservices.
Sure, sure. No
And this
problem. I mean,
project,
I do.
you have it, right? The project
Yes,
which we
I have worked on it. Yes.
cool, cool. Okay, no issues then. Okay, so
Okay.
only this no FAQs, Spring
FAQs.
FAQs only pending from my end. Okay, so I will just forward to you.
Yes.
Okay,
But if you can share the one that we did, can you share that?
which one?
The microservices or Spring authentication, just to keep track that what we did. Because
Yes, it
I,
will
if
be.
I get to,
Sure, sure. See, one more thing, like jars is there, right? I cannot send you. What I will do is I will just remove the jar files.
I don't need jars. I just need like authentication thing. We did something specific to web config, like
Sure, sure,
some
sure.
things to just get the idea of what we did.
Sure, sure, sure. I can do that. Sure, sure, sure.
Thank you.
Those
That would
docs
be great.
along with the Spring FAQs, I will share both, like
Spring
those.
FAQs and our projects, whatever we did.
Sure, 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 sure. Yes, yes, yes.
Thank
Okay.
you. So class tomorrow, right? Only if I text you.
Sure. Yes, 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 yes. So they told
Okay.
you tell her like today will be the last class like that. But if you
Mhm.
want to add few more class, you can just send one email for them and you can text me like, no, I want this class.
Sure.
Then they will schedule
Okay.
one more class hours. Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Yes, yes, yes. And have a nice day and all the best.
Thank you so much. You have a nice day too.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.